guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Filipino Cassava Cake. Some of you might already know that I'm half Filipina and therefore I'm very lucky to have tasted so many yummy Filipino desserts. Cassava cake is definitely one of my favorite and I've been craving this for quite some time now. So let me show you how easy it is to make this super delicious cake. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking pan with butter. My baking pan is 35 x 25 centimeters, but you could also use two smaller ones instead. I've already added the 2 packs of grated cassava. Now I'm just going to add in the remaining ingredients, starting with 1.5 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cans of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of melted butter, and a half bottle of Macapuno. I'm just going to mix this all together until everything is well combined by using a wooden spoon. The consistency should be quite runny, just like so. We can now pour the mixture into the greased baking pan, and we are going to bake this for 45 minutes at first before adding the topping. In the meantime, we can already make the topping. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the remaining ingredients, starting with a half can of sweetened condensed milk, half can of coconut milk, half bottle of Macapuno, and 1 egg yolk. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. This is how my cake looks like after 45 minutes of baking. We can now pour the topping mixture over the hot cake. Make sure that the Macapuno is evenly distributed. Bake this for another 45 minutes until it turns golden brown. My cake is done baking. Can you see that sizzling? This is how it's supposed to look like after taking it out of the oven. I will let this cool down to room temperature for about 2 hours. So this is my cassava cake. The texture reminds me of Japanese mochi because it's chewy and soft but still firm, and the topping is like some kind of sweet coconut custard. I can't really describe this perfectly, but all I can say is that this is so yummy and totally addictive. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!